Hello guys, you're probably wondering what the heck are you doing in the kitchen? Today, I'm going to be whipping up some delicious snacks. Probably wondering, why do you need to make snacks, Harper? What's the occasion? Well, today is the Gold Cup and I want to make some cool snacks for my family. Let's go. Like 6 minutes to do this, but so let's take a look in our refrigerator and let's see what we have. Maybe let's take a look for some vegetables. Okay, so I found some cucumbers. Maybe that's a dish that maybe I can make. No clue. I have cucumbers, lettuce, and carrots and peppers. Thinking I might do something with some cucumbers. Because I see cucumbers and maybe like lettuce or something, but I have no idea really what to do. I'm gonna probably. Why is this all like soapy? The heck? These already gone back, guys. They look like soapy. Or is that how cucumbers are supposed to be? Let me choose a different. Look at that, guys. It's all like sticky and slimy. Let me go ask my mom, and let me go see if this cucumber is good. It's like all slimy and little dots on it. So let me go ask. Ew. I think they're all bad. That's what my mom said. They're all bad. So, yep. Ew. Ew. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my gosh. It smells bad. I don't even know what to put this because the garbage can does not have any bag in it. I'll put a bag in it. Hold on, guys. This window will be wrong. Okay, so I put my heart hurts. My eyeballs hurt. Did I say my stomach hurts? Okay, I don't really know what to make. But I don't really know about if it goes coming out. Okay, so I have some of this. I can put this into a bowl, I guess. Snack number 1 is created. Snack number 2 coming right up. You can never go wrong with Doritos. Snack number 3, kind of like a dessert. Okay, so I have 2 things for dessert. Number 1 is really good cake. I don't really know where it's from. Wait, yeah, from my dad's party. That was so good. Wait. Just a little bit. No, it's just foamy. Okay. And then dessert number 2. really, really good chocolate. So good. Alrighty, it's time for me to serve them to my family. So we first are going to be starting off with the cheese balls, and I'll put out the Doritos. Alright, this is the first thing we have, this cheese balls. Gotta make sure the Doritos are good before we serve them.